Welcome to Viva's network training course. Our focus is a citywide influence. Generating citywide influence is important for the network to achieve sustained and preventive change for children in their communities. It allows the network to play a leading role in changing the long-term situation for children and allows the network to have a larger impact. Citywide influence can be created through campaigns and advocacy initiatives or relationships with those outside the network and continued activities that show the work being done is authentic and real. Campaigns mobilize network members and churches outside the network from across the city to target adults and children in order to change attitudes and norms and therefore produce sustainable and preventive change. They provide opportunity for the network to work with churches, organizations and authorities that are outside of the network membership, which, like the collective action programs, enables networks to utilize the resources, expertise and manpower of those both inside and outside the network to influence mindsets, attitudes, norms and understanding of people in the communities, which as a result makes children feel more valued and safe. Viva recommends and aims for all networks to run the World Weekend Day of Prayer and the Good Treatment campaign each year with groups outside and inside the network. This can be adapted to suit the focus of the network activities and complemented by additional campaigns. The number of new churches, organizations, which bring together adults and children who are influenced by the campaign should be recorded and reported to know the reach of the campaigns and track growth year on year. Relationships. Alongside the campaigns and advocacy initiatives, the network should build relationships with actors outside the network, which would aid its ability to influence wider city and enhance its impact. Key groups can be city authorities, government authorities, community leaders, service providers, business leaders, civil society groups. These relationships with key city leaders should aim to produce recorded and signed agreements with them. City churches, denominations, media enables the dissemination of a broad understanding of issues and solutions. This creates a social demand for change. Relationships with these actors will help to increase the scale and reach of the campaigns. They will also help to address structural problems affecting children. Strong relationships will increase the opportunities of networks to influence policies, city decisions and actions. This enables the church to be part of the conversation addressing structural problems affecting children, which can lead to system reform needed for child well-being. In order to facilitate these relationships, the network needs to record and promote its good track record of collective action programs and positive impact of campaigns and advocacy initiatives. Reflections. Citywide influence checklist. 1. Does your network run 2 citywide influence campaigns each year, such as World Weekend of Prayer and Good Treatment campaign, or such campaigns with groups inside and outside of the network? Are the numbers of new churches, organizations, adults and children influenced by the campaign recorded and reported? Are your network leaders building relationships with key city leaders such that they record signed agreements with them?